Hello guys, I welcome you all. In this video, we will learn how we can change our 2D sketches into 3D models. So you can see there is a feature tab open right next to sketch tab. There are only two features we can yet select. Other features are off. You can see here. Now these features will unlock if you have made your sketch. Now using these features we can turn our 2D sketches into 3D models. So first of all we will need some sketches, 2D sketches in order to make them 3D models. So first we will draw some 2D sketches. So we will go to sketch and we will select front plane and select sketch. Okay. We will draw a simple circle except now we will go to features. Select extrude. Now you can see some material has been added to the 2D sketch. Now there are different options using which you can modify your model. So, so here if you click this, you will see four options: sketch plane, surface, vertex and offset. So I will talk about sketch plane and offset only. Later we will talk about on these two options. So in the sketch plane, if you select this option, the extrude boss base command will apply from the plane on which we have designed our 2D sketch. For example, from front plane. But for example, if you want to extrude your sketch at a distance from your sketch plane, you can select offset plane like this. Now you have to give some distance. For example, I give it 10 mm. So you can see now our 3D model is at a distance of 10 mm from the sketch plane. I will select sketch plane for now. Okay. Okay, now if you select this, you will see a little bit of options here. Up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body and mid plane. I will talk about blind and mid plane only. Later I will use other commands in our other exercises. So if you choose blind, then the sketch will be extruded by a distance you give it here. For example, I give it 30 mm. Now you can see the body has been extruded for 30 mm. The distance between the sketch plane and the outermost surface is 30 mm. You can increase or decrease the distance. Now if you choose the mid plane like here, now 30 distance will be the total extruded boss base, but this 30 mm will be like 15 mm one side of the plane and 15 mm from the other side of the plane. The sketch plane will serve as a mid plane. Okay. Now here is that command draft. Now if you click this button, now you have to apply some angle. You can see how this body is going to draft, or an angle will be introduced along the edges. You can see the body is drafting inward, but you can also draft it outward by checking this box. You can see now the body is drafted outward. Okay, there is a thin feature. We will see it later. And there is a selected contours. Now you will need this option if you have more than one closed regions, but if you have only single closed region, then you don't have to choose this option. Okay. Now if you accept this, now you can see our sketch has been converted into a 3D model.